I just want to show you my garden. This is kale. These are yummy kale and delicious looking kale. And I have also some awesome stuff coming out. And look what it is. They are broccoli. Little broccoli sprouts coming up. And I just want to take you to my rest of the garden, which is tomatoes. And you can see there's baby tomatoes sticking out from there. You can see them. Let me move these. See, little baby tomatoes. There's my cherry tomatoes. And I'm going to take you to the rest of my garden. These are my oranges I want to show you. Look at these yummy oranges. I haven't picked all the oranges, but look at them. Look how delicious they look. Delicious. These are Valencia oranges, and the baby ones are popping up for the next year as well. And there is my cabbage. Amazing looking cabbage. And now I want to show you this amazing section of my garden. Look at that. So I put a tarp. The tarp really helps to take the heat, which is about if it's 90 degrees, then it'll reduce down to 30 or 40 degrees down, sometimes 10 depending on the type of tarp you're using. And these are San Masanos. Look at these yummy San Masanos, and some are ripening like crazy. And so here it is, some awesome tomatoes. See, some San Masanos. They're delicious looking tomatoes, aren't they? Yeah, this is my first year planting these tomatoes, and I just want to show you. And these are my let's see, bell peppers, and this is a banana pepper. Look at those yummy banana peppers, yummy, yummy. And I put some Italian parsley as well in between. And here it is, some bell peppers sticking out. I just want to show you some of these here. See the bell peppers? Right here. Let me move these. Yummy looking bell peppers. Yummy, yummy. And then there's more flowers popping up here. I actually had to spray. There's some little holes popping up on my leaves, and I had to spray some neem oil, which is really good to get rid of all the bugs, because I want to make sure that it's as organic as possible. And then this is another tomato plant that I have. This is, I think, a beefsteak tomato, and then there's some tomatoes popping up here. There's tomatoes right there. You can see some of the tomatoes. And then this is my eggplant. These are my eggplants. You can already see the eggplants popping up there. Delicious looking eggplants. And there's flowers blooming here. More flowers. And then, let me show you more. These are my, these are my tomatoes that are delicious San Masanos popping up here. And more tomatoes popping up here. There it is. Delicious looking tomatoes. I'll probably have a lot of tomatoes this year. And Who on Earth tells us that we cannot plant, we have to have a cool temperature to plant spinach. Here it is, spinach. I have little baby spinach plants too. Little baby spinach growing there as well. Right there. And then I'm going to go this way to show you. I have more San Masanos popping up here. Lots of San Masanos this year. This is my first year planting this, and I'm getting a lot of San Masanos. Some are ripening already, and I'm just going to have a good harvest. And then I want to show you, this is going to be the cucumbers, some cucumber plants, and some kale, and my green beans. And then these are my lots of what are they, beets? Yeah, lots of beets I planted here. And more tomatoes, and way more tomatoes. I don't see a whole lot of flowering happening yet, but it will. And then I have a cucumber. Cucumber is like a lot of flowers are blooming like crazy here. So I have lots of cucumbers, and pretty soon it'll be filled with cucumbers. See, it's already popping up cucumbers. I can see that, like right there is a cucumber. Can you see it? It's right about. See if I can move the leaf here. You'll be able to see the cucumbers right there. Baby cucumbers are popping up. So that's my little garden. And I have peaches too. There's my peaches. These are Red Havens. You can me show you right there. There's my Red Heaven peaches. And this is my first year. This plant is only 1 year old and it's already producing some. So I want to show you some more. This is California, so you can see all the flowers blooming everywhere. And this is my lemon tree. These are Maya lemons. It's popping up lemons there. And this is my another peach tree. These peaches are already ripened. You can see the peaches right there. There it is. Yummy peaches. Yummy peaches here. Coming up. And up there I can see a lot of peaches in here already. And so, and then these are my green beans. Look at that. Tons of green beans. I picked a lot of green beans today. It's delicious. It's very, very yummy. And then I just planted this apple tree today. And then another, I think it's like a, sure what that is. Let's see what it is. It is a honey semi-dwarf mandarin tree. This is my apricots. My apricots. Look at these apricots. Aren't they delicious? They're delicious, aren't they? Yeah, they're going to be turning yellow soon. And my herbs. Lots of herbs that I have. And then I planted a lot of, let's see, these are blueberries. I planted blueberries everywhere. Wherever I can find a place, I planted. And then more blueberries, and lots of strawberries there. And I want to show you something very special. Look at that, my grapes. So it's a lot of grapes, actually, tons of grapes popping up there. Just a lot of grapes, yeah. So there's my little garden. And then I have raspberries here too. You can see the raspberries. As you can see the raspberries, this is the first year that I'm planting raspberries, and it's all, this is called my berry patch. And there it is, lots and lots and lots of fruit popping up here, berries popping up here, lots of berries, and then lots and lots of I think these are Concord grapes. So there's a lot of Concord grapes I'll be getting this year. See, there it is, my Concord grape right there. There it is. And then this one here is my first year grapes. They are delicious and yummy. I'm not sure what kind of grapes they are, but it'll be all ready to go soon. So this is my little patch of gorgeous grapes. I don't know which kind it is, but eventually I'll find out what color they are. I think they're purplish after they ripen. I think last year it was more purplish. So there's my grapes, and I have a rosemary here plant. I use every inch of the soil here. There's my orange tree. And then I have more cucumbers. Look at that. Look at those cucumbers popping up. I can't wait. I can't wait. And then I have a squash zucchini plant over here. So I'm really excited to see my garden, you know, fruiting like crazy this year. This is my first year planting these things. It's not like I planted these last 2 years ago. This is my first year. These, there was 2 already when we bought the house, 2 plants already, and this is my first year of planting all these. And it's gone nuts, actually. It's really gone nuts. So as you can see, I don't have a huge garden area, but I'm planting everything as I can to make sure that I can grow as many things as I can, you know, because California, everything grows here except for it gets hot. It gets really warm here, but you can still grow as many things as you want. No matter where you live, you can plant anything you want, and things will grow. So there's my dog barking, but this is what it is. This is my garden.